Welcome to Step 4, Portfolio. Here, you can upload images showing your AI Shorts results and add a demo video. This helps buyers understand the value before purchasing. Let's explore what you can add. Let's start with portfolio images. These are visual examples of your AI Shorts output. They show buyers what the results look like before they purchase. These images help build trust, set expectations, and make your AI Short easier to understand at a glance. Strong visuals often increase buyer confidence and conversions. Now let's look at the demo video. A demo video shows your AI Short in action. It helps buyers understand how the tool works and what results they can expect. Demo videos are especially useful for explaining workflows, highlighting key features, and answering common questions before a buyer runs your AI Short. For now, we accept YouTube videos only. Paste your YouTube video URL in the field. That's Step 4. You've learned how to add portfolio images and demo videos to showcase your AI Shorts results. Even though it's optional, good portfolio content can make the difference between a sale and a pass.